There's double glaze, so there's double insulation. It's twice as quiet as compared to another car.
Sweet. Now, did you know about this?
What's that?
So,
Armrest, so what?
nah. Check this out. So this has got a fridge right here where you can keep 4 bottles, like 4 liters of water, cold at all times. Wasn't that the sweetest ride around?
The air suspension just takes up all the bumps, takes up all the beating, and gives you a perfect drive. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing this second-hand Mercedes S-Class. This car is magnificent. It has so many electronic components inside and it's a joy to drive. The air suspensions is spectacular. We're going to get the detail of this car, about the engine, the specification of the engine, how many kilometers this car has done and how many owners this car has. And finally, towards the end of the video, we are going to be telling you the price of this car. So let's get started. Also guys, we make a ton of automobile related content on our YouTube channel and we have on our Instagram as well. So guys, you can follow us on Instagram and on YouTube, and we make automobile related content regarding news, reviews, cars, for second-hand cars, new cars, and also automobile technical talks. So make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video if you do at the end of this video. Anyway, let's get started. So guys, talking about the engine, under the hood is a massive 3-liter V6 engine. It's a diesel engine that produces 235 brake horsepower and 510 Newton meters of torque. Now that amount of torque is crazy and you're going to feel it as soon as you put your foot down. Now it's sitting on these 17-inch 7-spoke tires and the car has air suspension all around. Another cool thing about this car is that on the S-Class you get what's known as soft closing doors. So I'm going to shut the door and the door gets sucked in automatically. I'm going to show this to you again. That happens on all 4 doors and it is so cool guys. It has projector headlamps up front and we're going to go inside and talk more about the car. Now coming inside, it's just massive guys. It's really massive, and all seats are electronically controlled with memory settings, and we have paddle shifters up front, and this car has done 1,12,000 kilometers and it's still in really good condition. The air suspensions feel amazing. You get an average of approximately 6 kilometers per liter with this diesel engine, so that's also pretty good.
So next I talk about the engine. The engine is amazing. It's a V6. We have, the gearbox is not on the left side, which I've assumed usually is. It's here. It's just a small stick here which goes reverse, neutral and drive. Apart from that, we've got great cooling seats here. I've switched them on right now because it's too hot in Bombay, right? We have cool seats and they're very comfortable. They're completely automatic. Apart from the heating and the cooling in the seats, we also have memory settings for 3 people. So now I've set it on, like, this is Siddharth's setting, not mine actually. So let me set how I want it. So here we go. We go all the way back. Now this is how I sit while I drive. Talking about the seats has cooling and heating systems, which are amazing. Well, in Bombay, you need to have cool seats, okay, because or else things get too sweaty. Now, let me put this in the memory settings that I have, and this is setting number 1, which I prefer. That is how I drive. This is how Siddharth drives, you know, like all seated and booted. But I lounge when I drive, and this is exactly how I prefer my driving skills. Now, apart from all of this, the steering feels like it is made of butter, probably, and it is amazing to drive. We drove this around and we went in a lane, but we went in so smoothly, I couldn't believe. That is the air suspensions. It makes this car a spaceship. Now talking about air suspensions, it is not just where it controls like the bumps and all, but if you are driving on a low terrain or a high terrain, you can adjust your suspensions manually from here. Apart from that, let's talk about the interiors a little more. Now we have ambient lighting around it. We have amazing piano finish all over the car. The steering, this wooden piano finish, it is something that brings elegance to this class. That is why it is the S-Class, right? Apart from that, we have parking sensors in the mirror. We have cruise control. We have curtain airbags all around for your safety. And provided you put on the seat belts, right? That is one thing that is necessary. Now, let's get in the back and let's see what we have there.
So apart from the suspension that can be controlled from this button out here, we also have a infotainment system which can tilt either for the driver's side or for the passenger side for your convenience. If you don't want the driver to be distracted, you can tilt it to your side and you can take the enjoyment of the infotainment system. Now about the MID, it's a massive MID. Unfortunately, we can't understand anything because everything is in German, and we can't understand that. But what is super cool is that you can have a night mode on where an infrared camera will capture whatever is in front of you. So supposing your high beam cannot capture something late at night when you're on the highway driving, that will get captured and fed onto your MID, where you have the camera, an infrared camera capturing things before they actually come. So that's another cool feature, another safety feature that's there. Another thing that's also there on this car is a massive sunroof, another cool feature. Now we'll go at the back and we'll continue. So you can hear how quiet it is, guys. It is super quiet in here.
It's like those jam rooms that we go in.
Yeah.
And it's all the acoustics and all that sound, noise cancellation and everything that they have.
Taken care of.
You were talking about the glasses. The windows have something, right? What was that?
They're double glazed.
So what does that mean?
Double glaze actually means that the acoustics that happens inside, the outside noise does not enter, only because there are two layers of glasses stuck to each other. When you usually have one single layer of glass in your normal car, this car has two layers stuck to each other. There's double glaze, so there's double insulation. It's twice as quiet as compared to another car.
Sweet. Now, did you know about this?
What's that?
So
Armrest, so what?
Nah. Check this out. So this has got a fridge right here where you can keep 4 bottles, like 4 liters of water, cold at all times. If you want, you can switch it off, or if you want really colder, like if you want really chilled.
You want to chill faster?
Yeah, like a chilled glass of water. Then you can actually use this water. Now, apart from that, this has this amazing space where you can keep a lot of stuff. Controls to all your systems. There are screens on both the seats, and you can actually have individuals watching something completely different. That's cool with it, but the sound will be the same though. So that's one problem there.
A good thing about it is that you can entertain the kids at the back while you are enjoying in the driver's seat. So that's another thing. And check this out, guys. My headrest can be adjusted from the door out here. Everything is electronic out here. We can have memory seat settings for this seat, for that seat, for the front 2 seats. Everything is just controlled electronically and everything works perfectly. Now I'm going to lounge mode because, well, this car allows me to do that.
We both are 6 and it gives us so much space to just relax, to chill, to have a meeting though.
Yeah, this is a good place to have a meeting. Yeah. And the best part is, if you want the temperature to be higher or if I want my temperature to be lower, this has quad climate control. What that means is that the driver can control his climate alag se, and we have the passenger who can do it for a different temperature, and we both can have our own temperatures. That's another cool feature.
Yeah, because I like it cold.
Yeah, and
like
I like to not keep it too cold. So we can, mine is on 23, his is on 16. So there.
Yeah, I like it to be cold like my soul. I'm too hot to handle anyways.
And we can control our infotainment system from the dial out
individually. Here. So now this is, you see the red light here. So now this is my controls that are on. I want some privacy here right now. Why don't you close that as well? There you go.
Full on privacy. It really makes your cabin really dark. But
yeah, it gives you that comfort of being in an S-Class. Like being someone who doesn't want to be seen. Like the Russian mafia maybe.
I think I can take a nap out here.
It's so German mafia? Russian mafia? Both I think.
It's Mercedes a mafia car.
Is a mafia car.
And the color is also completely black. So
the number?
The number is the best part.
I had a number like this and it is amazing to have something so privileged, so unique. When you wait at a signal, like the cop also sometimes let you go. Okay, so just saying it, just putting it out there.
Yeah, guys, if you haven't already seen this number plate, we'll show it to you here.
Yeah, so it's 0007. An extra 0 for good luck.
It's a super VIP number.
Yeah, it's amazing, and it's again a Bombay registered car.
Another thing is that, guys, this car has Harman Kardon stereo system all around, and it is fantastic. I have speakers in the seats out here as well, in the front seats. So you get a full 360 surround sound. Yeah, we have one out here as well, and it's all around, and it will just give you a really good vibe when you're sitting out here. You're gonna enjoy yourself. This is actually one of the favorite places to be when you're in the S-Class. It has a lot of speakers basically, and it's an amazing place. It's like a full-on 360 surround sound, and we have an AC air vent out here on the B pillar as well as from the.
For people who don't know, B pillar is that pillar where you have your seat belt.
The driver has a seat belt.
Yeah, like the driver and the passenger has the seat belt.
And this is the C pillar.
That's the C-pillar.
So basically we have one air vent out here and we have one air vent from here. So we are completely controlled when it comes to the air condition and the sound, and we are entertained whilst we are getting driven around. But another favorite place for to be in this car is the driver's seat, and that is because there's so much of power under that hood, and it is an S-Class for good reason. It has to take so much of weight, right? This car is a heavy car.
This is a tank.
It's a tank. It's a UL tanker, guys.
But it drives like a spaceship.
And the best part is that all this is available, yes, but for a fantastic price.
That I could not believe when he said it first.
The price is too good.
I could not believe it.
This car definitely is worth much more than the value it is at right now. And the best part is that
this guy has amazing cars for a really good price.
Yes.
And the best part is he maintains them himself.
Yes.
He parks it in his own place, maintains it, makes sure the car is drivable, then he sells it off.
And it's taken care of, and it's serviced everything properly before you purchase it.
Yeah, it is amazing how he maintains all these cars.
So guys, I made a couple of videos with S to the Car people. You can check out our other videos, and you can also check out their, we'll get the link in the description. You can open that link and you can see the listing of cars that they have, and their contact number will be shared. You all can get this car for a very good deal, and you can get for it for even a sweeter deal if you make sure to mention the channel's name. And now guys, it's time to show you all the driving experience of this car. Okay, so we are going to keep the camera at the back. We're going to give you the chauffeur driven driving experience, and one of us is going to drive the car right now and tell you how good this car is. Yeah, he's going to drive the car right now and tell you how good the car is, the S suspension, how perfect it is. After that, we're going to wrap up this video and then tell you the price that this car is available for. And
with a VIP number plate.
With a VIP number plate. That I think is the most expensive part.
That is, yeah, I think it is very expensive. To get that number,
is a super deal. Let's get to the driving part.
Yep, please. So there we go. Let's belt it. How do you feel sitting right next to me?
I feel super comfortable. The air suspension is taking care of everything, and we are right now pushing the car.
The only thing bad about this car, I think, is it's all in German, and I don't read German at all. I have no clue what it says.
This car feels extremely good. Even on the speed bumps, it just absorbs.
You don't even know
completely.
There are bumps. And look at their driving radius.
The turning radius is also superb. We just took a turn right now and it is really good.
The beauty of it is,
well, it's 510 Newton meters of torque, so you can feel that punch as soon as you put your foot down.
Look, that was a speed breaker, by the way.
It's extremely sublime.
It's so smooth. Okay, now let's see how it goes here. And that was like amazing. Wasn't that the sweetest ride around?
The air suspension just takes up all the bumps, takes up all the beating, and gives you a perfect drive.
Now, for one thing, driving in Bombay in such weather, by the way, the AC is brilliant.
The AC is super.
I cannot say how good is it. It's like I'm at home right now.
And well, Zen has his seat on cooling while I have my seat on heating, and it just does very good, like super.
Why do you have it on heating, by the way?
Because I like to be nice and warm. I like to be warm.
Bombay, you're already sweaty.
I'm not sweaty.
Okay, I like it cold, okay? Just like my soul. Now
right
we are at this
bumpy area.
Yeah.
And you can see how good the suspension is taking the beating.
Have you even felt one bump? I cannot imagine you're driving in Bombay. A car makes you feel like you're driving on a runway for some strange reason.
The beauty is that this car has driven quite a lot of kilometers and still the suspension is so good. You feel really comfortable. You can see out of the car perfectly. You can see the entire massive hood that's there in front. Everything is just so good. The visibility is amazing. And although this car is like a tank, it's massive. And still you don't feel it.
It's so heavy. This car is so heavy. But still, you won't feel it while you're driving. It's so agile. It's so nimble.
Yeah, it's very planted at the same time.
Yes. And because it's so heavy, going at high speeds, it's not scary.
So guys, that wraps up this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to
like, subscribe and comment. Alright?
Yeah, guys, comment.
Please.
Let us know what you liked about this car, what you disliked about this car. And about the price, guys. We haven't told you the price yet. The price.
Hold on. Hold that thought. make sure you comment the price if you think you know it.
Yeah.
Then watch what he says.
Yeah.
Alright, let's
Tell us
keep it that way.
what
And
you
share
think
this video, right?
Tell us what you think the price is. Comment, and then now you can watch this part of the video where we're going to tell you the price. What's the price?
It's for 9 lakhs only. It's under 10 lakhs.
Guys, you don't get many hatchbacks for that price. You don't get an i20 for that price. 9 lakhs, you get a car that has soft closing doors, complete leather, electronic seats, heating, cooling seats, everything, air suspension. I don't know where to stop. The list does not end only. It just goes on, and only for
It's,
9
let
lakhs.
me help you with that. You drive an S-Class
S-Class.
for 9 lakhs, which is a dream come true for many. For me, yes.
It's a beautiful car, guys. Let us know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget, and guys, make sure to hit a like button and subscribe to the channel, guys, for more automobile content.
Share this video for me.
And share
alright?
this video. See you in the next video. Till then, happy motoring, stay safe. Cheers. Hey, and wear your seatbelt. See, all of us are wearing a seatbelt.
Yeah, please do that.
Cheers.